Hey everybody, this is Michael from Barton Musical Circuits. This is the new PWMVCA and Blend module. This has two channels. Each channel has two inputs, a control voltage input, and then an output. And the way it works is this knob is going to control how much of which input is present on the output. And so when there's only one input, it'll act as a VCA because it's just a ground on the other one. And then when there's two inputs, you're blending between the two. And the control voltage is basically just modulating the position of the knob. So if you had an LFO, it'd be like the knob is swirling like that. And the way it does this is there's a high frequency clock inside the module that these are controlling the PWM of that clock. So it's very, very quickly switching back and forth between these two. And that clock signal, you can also override it with an external VCO. And yeah, let me show you this stuff. So I've got an input here. This should send it to our output. So you can see it's getting louder when you turn that up. And I'll put a CV in there. And let's try it with a second signal as well. So this will be blending between two signals. And that's all using the internal clock. And then now I'm going to input an external clock. And I'm adjusting the frequency of that external clock. So, as you can hear with the external clock, you get this big modulating, crazy sound when the knob is in the middle, but when it's just fully on one signal or the other, it kind of goes away. And hopefully you can hear that okay. I try to keep the volume relatively low while I'm doing this just so I can talk over it easily. I've also got MP3 demos on my website of this stuff. And yeah, thank you for watching.